Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Subaru Outback windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect your windshield. It's important to have the correct sizes. Typically, the driver's side is longer than the passenger's. Replacing both front blades at the same time ensures consistent wiping and clear visibility. This simple task can significantly improve your driving safety, especially in adverse weather conditions. To begin, carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield. Place your protective towel on the glass beneath the arm. Most Subaru Outbacks use a J-hook style attachment. Find the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm, press it, and slide the old blade off. Then, simply slide the new blade onto the hook until you hear a secure click. Gently lower the arm back down. The rear wiper on your Outback often has a slightly different attachment. First, lift the rear wiper arm away from the window. You'll typically need to twist or pull the old blade firmly to release it from its unique mounting point. Be careful not to let the arm snap back. Once removed, align the new 14-inch blade with the arm's attachment and push it on until it securely locks into place. Then, carefully lower the arm. To keep your new wipers performing their best, remember to replace them every 6 to 12 months, depending on your climate and usage. Regularly cleaning the rubber blades with a damp cloth can also extend their effective life and prevent streaking. Good wipers are crucial for safe driving. And speaking of upgrades, why not upgrade your home cleaning too? Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.